welcome back to our channel, and today's vlog is I will cook chicken potato. This one, guys, is steamed potato, chicken potato croquettes. Okay, then watch until end, guys. This is very different than your version, okay, because this one is my original version. Okay, the potato is boiled, guys, and let's smash it while it's hot so that it's easy to smash. Okay, when it's cold, it's hard and it cannot be smashed easily. Okay, croquettes, guys. Okay, a very delicious, of course, yes, because it's our original. And while it's hot, I would like to add the seasoning that I would like to use. Fish powder. Okay, for deep umami. And also black pepper and salt to taste. Then the secret ingredients or recipe or the secret seasoning that I use is this one, guys, is from instant udon soup. Okay, instant udon soup powder. Okay, this is my secret ingredients. Secret seasoning. Okay, nutmeg powder. My nutmeg is not available. That's okay. I don't wanna open you, but I need to open. I forgot. Okay, nutmeg, guys. Nutmeg powder. I love nutmeg smell. Okay, not too much, just only few. Then plastic is plastic. Then I would like also use paprika powder, guys, for aroma and for the beautiful color, of course, so that our this one is basil. My parsley is not available. Basil, not too much too, just in little bit is enough. And let's add the ground chicken meat breast, guys. Okay. This is very easy but delicious, and of course home recipe. Okay, ano ba yan? Wow. Okay, I would like to wash my and add a little bit of oyster sauce to taste, just only a little bit, guys, not too much. Okay, and soy sauce. Then let's mix this. Let's use a hand so that it could be mixed properly. Okay, mix it while the potato is hot, so that the seasoning that we mixed would be melted out. You can put any seasoning you would like to add, guys, but for me, the seasoning that I use is enough. And let's add, guys, a little bit of spring onion. Not so much, that's only a little bit is enough. Okay, the texture for the finished product, very fine. Okay, and let's set aside for a while. Now let's prepare the egg that we need to use. Just only 2 or more, but our chicken is quite not too much, so eggs is enough. On this egg, guys, this is only optional. I always add sake or rice wine. The purpose is to cut off the bad smell of the egg. That's only the reason, guys. That's only optional. Okay, I'm so very sensitive of the egg smell. But I need to use eggs of this recipe. And we have here cheese, natural cheese, all-purpose flour, and roasted breadcrumbs. Okay, so this one is croquette. That's why we need breadcrumbs. Just only form like this, guys, and put a cheese on the center. And you can use your both hand, but for me, I would like to use only one hand to form it, so that my one hand could be used in other part. Because this one, guys, is very lots of things to do. Easy, but lot of things to do. Make sure that the cheese would not overlap when you fry the croquettes. Okay, it's very simple. Put a cooking oil, guys, so that it's easy to form, because there's no oil of the meat. Okay, and first process after forming it, you should put here. Then you can use also your hand if you would like, but for me, I don't like to use my hand. Because as I've said, it's very very what we call this, yoguriro nihongo de wa ego wa karanai. Then put into egg. The next process is the egg. Okay, and after you can back to flour, guys, and back to egg, double coating if you would like, but better not to do that because it's very the coating is very thick and it's need lots of cooking oil. Okay, then put it into this one, breadcrumbs. When you use this one into flour, do not use into egg. Just only for the breadcrumbs and for the flour only. Okay, and here's the finished product and ready to fry. Okay, and let's do this process, guys, until it's finished, and do keep watching. Okay, so here it is, guys. I would like to show you guys how to prepare this croquettes without damaging. So this one is for only dry and this one is for only egg. Okay, this is very good technique, guys, so that your hand would not be same dirty. Okay, this one is for flour, then you put it into egg, then just only use this hand on eggs. Okay, if you use this two hands in both, it's very hard. Because the flour and egg would be thickening. Okay, then this one for flour and for breadcrumbs. First time I do this recipe, guys, here in Japan, because this recipe I learned here in Japan only. I say, oh my god, this is very nakakaluka. And this is the finished product. Okay, that's the way I learn it from my own mistake. I'm not learning in culinary schools. and I'm not watching TV or videos and anything. Just only try my idea, and I learned it from my own idea. Okay, as I've said, you can double coat, guys, after putting it into egg, back into flour, then back into egg, and then the last one would be the breadcrumbs. The cover is very thick, but you need lots of cooking oil, and that's very lots of calorie. Okay, bad cholesterol. That's process is good only for business. Okay, so here it is, guys, the finished product, and let's do fry right now. And medium fire only, guys. Do not use a high flame, because the breadcrumbs would be damaged. Our chicken is raw. Just only small medium fire, so that the entire would be cooked properly. Okay, and make sure the cheese would not be overlap. And this is the sign, guys, that the inside are already cooked. When the shape would turn into like circle, or it seems like there's it's become bloated. Okay, when it's turned into bloated, meaning to say the inside is already cooked, then it's ready to take off. So here it is, guys, the finished product. The finished product is delicious. There's a cheese inside, guys, and the texture is very friendly. It seems like you are eating nuggets. Potato and chicken. Okay, potato, chicken, croquettes. So it's done, guys. Thanks for watching until end. I hope you enjoy our simple recipe of chicken and potato croquettes. So until here, guys, as I've said, home cook is always the best. Thanks for watching, guys, and please do share to your community and mention me so that I could support you back. Thank you so much. Bye until here. Thanks for watching.